5 seconds to go. Start. This court acquitted respondent numbers 2 and 3 therein on the ground that there was a delay of 10 days in conducting the TIP, and in those 10 days, there was a high likelihood of their photographs being shown to the witnesses. Stop. A delay of about 1 month was viewed seriously by this court since there was a possibility of the accused being shown to the witnesses. Stop. Para. Returning to the facts of the present case, we have already noted that accused numbers 1 to 16 were arrested on 13th July 2000. Stop. Instead of filing an application for conducting a TIP at the earliest, the IO PW84 filed a remand application, pursuant to which the accused were remanded to police custody. Stop. There is strong evidence that the accused were shown to the witnesses during their police custody period. Stop. The fact that an application for conducting a TIP was filed on 23rd July 2000, that is, the very next day after the police custody period ended, leads to the inevitable conclusion that the accused were taken into police custody to facilitate their easy identification during the TIP. Stop. Otherwise, we see no reason why an application for conducting a TIP was not filed immediately after the arrest of the accused. Stop. In such circumstances, we firmly believe that the delay in holding the TIP coupled with other circumstances has cast a serious doubt on the credibility of the TIP witnesses. Stop. Para. A 3-judge bench of this court, by relying on Ram Kishan Sharma versus State of Bombay, has held that any identification made by witnesses in a TIP in the presence of a police officer tantamount to statements made to the police officer under section 162 CRPC. Stop. The court held, para. The infirmities in the conduct of the test identification parade would next bear scrutiny. Stop. The major flaw in the exercise here was the presence of the police during the exercise. Stop. When the identifications are held in police presence, the resultant communications tantamount to statements made by the identifiers to a police officer in course of investigation, and they fall within the ban of section 162 of the code. Stop. Para. The evidence of IOPW 84 about the conduct of the test identification parade may be noted, para. Did you make any arrangement to prevent the witness and the accused from seeing each other inside the jail? Sign of interrogation. I did not think it as something needed. Stop. Para. Further, when a question regarding the presence of the IOPW 84 was put to JMFC PW47, he stated that, para. In the parade conducted on 31st July 2000, 31 known suspects were selected. Stop. The civilian were produced by the IO. Stop. On that date also, Deputy Superintendent of Police and CI were present in the premises of the jail. Stop. Para. With respect to the second TIP conducted on 26th August 2000, the JMFC PW47 stated that, on 26th August 2000, Deputy Superintendent SP Joshua was also present in the central prison. Stop. Para. Having considered the statement of the Judicial Magistrate First Class PW47 and the evidence of the IO PW84 together. Stop.